Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Nick Bare channel analytics. Nick has uploaded 665 videos. He now has 638k subscribers with a total view of 85,960,335 views. He's from US, and his channel type is sports. He created his channel since April 11, 2012. The grade he got is B, and his Social Blade ranking is at 72,934th. The subscriber ranking is 40,484th, and then video view rank is 66,170th. He ranked at 9,184th in US and 901st in sports. Next, the daily subs for Nick Bare is around 434 with a daily view of 69,625. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 70,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $280. Then, monthly income will be $8,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $4,620 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $55,440. That is how much Nick Bare earns from YouTube.